This video is about succession planting. The date today is July 5th, 2023. I have harvested my potatoes in this raised bed, and I have another empty raised bed over there in the other side of the garden where I harvested some garlic. Since it is still early in the season, I will be succession planting, and what it means is that after harvesting a crop, you're gonna plant something else. So I have decided to plant some green beans in this empty raised bed. These are the new green beans that I ordered. There's a top crop bean which has a maturity date of 45 to 55 days. So since it's only July 5th, then I still have plenty of time to get this harvested. So this will be harvested around starting early September. Now this is the Royal Burgundy purple, 60 days maturity. And then the next one is Provider Bean. This one has a maturity of 55 to 60. And then we have the Blue Lake Bush, also 50 to 65 days maturity. And then my most favorite bush beans, the strike green beans, which has a maturity of 55 days. So this raised bed will be planted with all the strike beans, and then I'm gonna plant the others in the second empty raised bed that I have. So as you can see, this raised bed is already clean. I have fixed the drip irrigation because I used to have just one line of drip irrigation tubing in here. I just coiled it around, but I think it's more neat to see 4 lines running instead of one, and you have to coil it all over. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be planting where the drip emitters are. So this is where the water comes out, and this is the next one that's 12 inches apart. So that's gonna be the spacing that I will be doing in here. I'm not gonna be here for at least a couple of weeks, so that's why I'll just be planting the seeds where the drip emitters are, so I'll be sure that they will be watered while I am gone. Bush beans are the easiest beans to plant, and I don't fertilize the ground. Beans are nitrogen fixers, so I'm just gonna be putting 1 bean per drip emitter. I usually put 2. However, since I won't be here, I won't be able to thin out the plants after they have sprouted. So I'm just gonna do 1 on each, and if they don't sprout, I will plant something else whenever I come back from my vacation. One here. The length of this raised bed is 8 feet, so there should be 8 drip emitters in each line, times 4, that's 32. So 32 seeds that I will be planting in this spot. Let's put one here. I just push it about an inch deep. Now this one, yeah, there are still some wood chips from the potatoes on here, but that should be fine. I'm gonna give this a spray of water whenever I'm done planting. So we are done planting the strike bean seeds in the ground, and just like all other seeds, they need moisture to germinate. So we're just gonna spray this raised bed with water, and then every morning at 6 o'clock this will be watered in my drip irrigation system. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.